Hi everyone, thank you for joining me here today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Irene, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Chanel bag that I just bought today. I just got home. I'm just going to say, if you've seen my video that I posted a few weeks ago about, it's titled Bags That I Love But I Wouldn't Buy, I'm totally going back on my words here, so I'll have that video linked up in the cards below, above. But let's get straight into this bag, and I will also explain to you guys why this was in that video that I mentioned, but then now I have it in my hands. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So here is the bag with the purchase inside of it. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guessed correctly. If you've seen my previous video, I mentioned if you guessed correctly what bag this is. So yeah, I'm going to get straight into it. So it's got the ribbons. I'm going to open it up. So once I show you guys what bag is inside, I'll explain to you why I got it, even though I said I wasn't going to, okay? I'm totally going back on my words, guys. All right, here is the beautiful bag box, and we've got the camellia flower on there. I'm just going to peel that off. Can I peel it off? Oh yeah, it's just very sticky. Okay, maybe I'll just undo this. Yeah, I'll just undo it. That might be easier. Okay, there we are. How does this work? Okay, there we are. Got that. There's the box, and I'm gonna open it up. You guys can probably tell what type of bag it is considering the size of the box, so it might not be a huge surprise here, but here it is inside this dust bag. And if you guessed that it is the Chanel wallet on chain, then you were correct. So I've got it. Let me just take out this felt piece here. So she packaged it up with the felt so that it comes with this, like an extra protector when I do store it away. So as you can see, I got the Chanel wallet on chain in black caviar leather in the gold hardware. And this was one bag that I mentioned that I love, but I would not purchase literally like 3 weeks ago, okay? So the reason why I had said that was because I had mentioned that I already own the Chanel mini rectangle in black lambskin and silver hardware, and I love that bag to death. However, I thought it over, and I really do like the Chanel walk. And the best part is this one is in caviar leather. As you can see, the graining on it, and it's got gold hardware. This is probably my second bag that has gold hardware on it that I currently own. So you can see the chain here. And the reason why I got this was because I wanted a bag that is easy for travel. My Chanel mini rectangle is lambskin. It's very delicate, and it's not a bag that can be easily packed away and not get damaged or smushed up, you know what I mean? So this bag is so nice because it already comes like folded. So if I really wanted to, I could pack this in a bigger carry-on bag, or even my carry-on luggage, and I wouldn't be too concerned about this bag getting damaged. As long as I package it nicely and like wrap it up and put all the protectors on it, I would not be concerned about this bag. And the fact that it's caviar makes it much more durable, depending on where you're going. Like, I'm actually going to go to Vancouver soon this summer, so I was actually thinking about what I was going to pack for the trip, and I was like, well, I can pack this, but then how am I going to bring it there without either I have to carry it with me, and it's going to be just take up too much space. For example, I was thinking about taking my mini rectangle, but again, like I said, it's too delicate, and the way that the structure is, I can't smush it down and fit it into my luggage. So this would be perfect for me to bring along to any trip, or honestly use on a day-to-day basis when I'm out and about. So it's got that pocket back here. There's a name for it, and I always forget it. I know what it is, I just forget, I'm sorry. And it's got the gold hardware, the CC there. It's got kind of like a magnetic closure. as you can see there, and it's got the zipper up here, a tiny little guy right there, and mine is made in France. And it's got just some, how many card holders? 6 card holders on this back panel. And then it's got 1 slot right here, 1 zippered section right here, and then 1 compartment right up front here. So if you have any documents or I don't know, whatever, it's easy access. And then it's got the chain that kind of slides through this panel right here. So I am very excited about this purchase. This was very sporadic, and I didn't really intentionally plan on purchasing one today, but I'm very happy that I have it, because the reason why I was looking online on the Chanel website, and the only walks that they had in this style were all lambskin, or I think there was one that maybe was grained calf skin or something like that, but I wanted caviar. And when I went into my store, they had this in caviar, black caviar with gold hardware. So I don't know, I couldn't resist. Plus there's people that are saying that the Chanel prices are gonna go up again, which, I mean, it's not a surprise because it happens every year, sometimes multiple times a year. So it's not surprising, but I figured if I'm going to want to get this bag anyways, I might as well do it now. I did mention in my last video that instead of getting this bag, I'd rather get something more substantial from another brand. But at the end of the day, a Chanel is a Chanel is a Chanel is a Chanel. I love Chanel. So I went in and I just picked it up. I don't know. I love it. Tell me in the comments section down below whether you think I made a good choice or not, or maybe just don't. That might make me feel bad. At the end of the day, I don't regret it because I'm going to sell my boy bag eventually anyway. So I figured if I sell my boy bag, that's even at a resale value, I will get more money back than this bag, than I paid for this bag. So I'm kind of swapping. It's just I'm waiting a little longer for the boy bag. I'm not ready to let it go yet, but I do plan on selling that for sure because I just don't use it, and I know that for a fact. So if you think I'm constantly adding bags in there to my collection, not necessarily. I am making swaps. So yeah, there is my quick unboxing. I will do another video a little bit later down the road showing mod shots. I'm talking about chain lengths, how they wear, what fits inside, that sort of idea. But right now, I just really want to quickly hop on here. I didn't actually plan on even filming today because I do have plans in an hour, not even. Let me see what time it is. I have to leave very soon in 15 minutes. So I just want to quickly hop on here to do like a real unboxing for you to see what I got in here. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's quick unboxing of this Chanel walk here, please remember to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to join our little community. That would mean a great deal to me. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!